What's up, YouTube? Be the trucker here. Yep. Yeah, I see my face. This is the look of disgust. Hold on. Well, the look on my face is total disgust. Got to my truck this morning and ready to head out, or at least call my dispatch, let them know I'm ready to leave. Damn truck won't start, y'all. Like I don't know if it's the battery that went out or went dead or what. Like it ain't even making a noise, huh? This is what it's doing. Come on. Radio come on, all of that. But when I turn the key, nothing happens. I don't really know, what that. When I turn my key, everything go off as if like I don't know. It's like it's trying to pull maybe. The radio even go off. Y'all see it be lit up green. Turn the switch, and it go off. So I don't know what that could be about. I know my truck wasn't left on or nothing because I was home for the weekend, and I don't know. Y'all know that some of these trucks made like you can't take the key out if it's turned. Like it's like 3 seconds on the ignition. It's like you got the. When you turn all the way down, it's like the battery's still on, but you can't take the key out, and then you can turn it again to like completely off, and then you start it. And see, on my truck, I can't take my key out if it's still turned to that third lit switch or whatever. I can't take my key out, so I know the battery wasn't on because it's not possible for it to do that. And I think that's why they got it made like that, so you don't kill your battery by mistake or nothing like that. So what I'm doing now, I'm just kind of sitting here. I'm trying to figure out the issue myself first, because that's usually what I do. I try to figure out, see if it's something that I can fix myself, because sometimes it's just easier to go ahead and resolve a problem yourself if you can, as long as it ain't nothing too major or nothing like that. At least that's just my opinion. Some of y'all probably be like, nah, you shouldn't do that. If you're a company driver, just go and let the company do it, which I totally agree with. But in the same breath, it's like, man, shit, I can probably fix the problem myself in 30 minutes instead of sitting here waiting on the company to come out here and fix it and waiting 3 hours for them to get here. You know what I'm saying? So you wait 3 hours to come for them to get out here only to fix a problem that takes 10 minutes to resolve. You know what I'm saying? So I take a look at my truck first before I even get to making phone calls and stuff like that. And of course, by no means am I a owner operator or anything like that. But yeah, it's starting out. The damn week starting off wrong already. I hate when shit like this happen. Good thing I didn't start my clock though. I haven't started my clock. But I'm probably, being that I'm still here at home, I'm gonna probably get some jumper cables and let it try to charge my battery up on my truck a little bit, and then see if it'll work. And if not, then I might just make a call, because I'm not finna do you know, too much anything else of, you know, trying to fix it. But yeah, man, I hate when my week start off crazy. But I'm gonna still stay positive about my week or whatever. Yeah, I know how that go. It's upsetting because it's messing with my money, man. I be ready to get up out of here. Still ain't doing shit. Yeah, I'm gonna just go on and cut this off. Yeah, that ain't working. It ain't doing nothing. But I guess I'm gonna get back with y'all when I figure out what's going on and all of that. So, well, now before I ain't even finna cut the video off. Y'all see, I already done kind of been looking. I ain't looked too much yet. I got my hood up on my truck, but I ain't actually went out there and looked at it yet because I was like, you know what? Let me grab the camera. And excuse me, but those of you that don't know, on trucks, the battery ain't where the battery usually be at on cars. It's not under the hood. Y'all see, the battery is not here in the hood and the engine. The battery is not here. The battery is actually, I might have to actually put my phone down for this one because I don't know. I might can get it. This is actually where the battery is at. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually probably have to call my dad because my old lady, she got my car right now because she going to work, and I'm gonna have to get him to bring some jumper cables over here, and I'm gonna just hook them up, you know, jump the truck out, try to jump the truck off, and like I said, if that don't work, then that's when I'm gonna make a call to the company. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Nothing. Oh, truck went stored. So that's I tried the jumper cables, that didn't work, and might be the starter. So I ain't really too sure. I'm sitting here, I'm putting in my breakdown now. So I don't know, it's gonna be a short week. Hate when the store my weeks off like this, man. I'm just sitting here waiting on a phone call from the breakdown department. These people like 15 miles away. I'd probably be sitting here a whole hour waiting on them. Called my dispatcher, told him what was going on. Just don't even understand, but shit depressing. Pop's still sitting here with me though. What it is though. Nothing I can do about it. But sit here and wait for this phone call and alright, so I got my truck started. I had to call AMX. Guy from the shop came and jumped me off. Had one of those big booster cable type things, but I'm getting ready to get up out of here. Just really wanted to show y'all my Monday morning, as y'all can see. Air pressure build up, all of that. Y'all can probably hear it too, I'm sure. But as always, man, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram at B_the trucker. That's B_THA trucker. Add me on Snapchat at BBizzle_3. That's BBIZZLE_3. And yeah, y'all holla at me.